This video will demonstrate how to assemble the Allagash Plus Cot, Lite Cot, and the Lite 7000 Cot from Byer of Maine. Lay the folded cot on the ground and open it up to straighten the side rails with the holes for the legs pointed up. You may have to twist the side rails a bit to expose the holes. Kneeling on the floor, insert the leg in the hole at your knee first, making sure the leg is fully inserted, then reach across the cot to insert the other end. This can be difficult for some, but with this technique and a little practice, you can do it very easily. Grip the leg with your thumb pointed up and pull in while steadying knee with the opposite hand, and insert it all in one fluid motion. Another technique is to stand up and put the cot on its side. Put the end of the leg closest to the floor in first, making sure the leg is fully inserted. Hold the other end up with your non-dominant hand while gripping the leg with your dominant hand. Push down towards the floor and use your thumb on your other hand to stabilize your hand as you insert the leg into the top hole. Thank you for watching.